Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. It's another snow day, but I think everybody's having a snow day right now. This winter storm all the way down to Texas and whatever. We're in the middle of that. It's Thursday, so you have an idea of what day it is. It's going to be snowing for the rest of the week. And we got an emergency call out early this morning. It's like 7:30. Not super early, but this is actually my good buddy. Back when I used to do a lot of engine swaps and clutches, this is my friend who helped me on all those big jobs. I don't do those much anymore. Not really at all, actually. I'll be doing one on my own truck though. But he's got a nail in his tire before he headed up to school this morning. So we're gonna see if we can get him to class on time. He has a presentation, so we're gonna run over there. We're gonna take my wife's car because it warms up a lot faster and it's mighty cold this morning. We don't need too much. I've got the air compressor in this plug kit. He says it's a nail, so I assume he sees it. And he lives over next to school where I go to school. He goes to school in a city about 40 minutes away, but I go to school right up here a few blocks away. We're gonna run over there, get his car back on the road. Sí, bien escondido.
Loco.
Sí.
¿Qué te pasa que te ves tan joven? ¿Será que es el pelo?
Sí, el pelo.
¿Cómo estás? ¿Me estás filmando?
Bien.
Oh,
Sí,
no.
no, pero no pasa nada. Este parte no. ¿Ves el clavo?
Es enorme, no sé si vos lo puedes ver, pero lo puedo mover para que lo veas.
Y necesitas una llanta nueva igual.
¿Sí?
Bien seca, ¿ves?
Mirá.
Te digo.
Cuidado, este es el hielo. No sé que te vaya.
Sí. Espero que para. Más. Más. Ya lo veo más. Como dos más. Ahí está. Ok, perfecto. Ahí está, perfecto. Okay. All right, so here we are. No, está bien así. We're gonna ream the hole first. It's in a good spot. The tire's old, so he needs a new tire. But to get him back on the road, we're just gonna ream this. If it was in the sidewall, maybe still would even try to plug it, but it's in a good spot. It's not too big, and yeah, we'll jab this in 2 or 3 times, rough that up, and then we'll throw a plug in there. And we got the cordless air compressor here. It's got a full battery in it, but this will fill this tire up easy. So cold rubber here. Yeah, this is just a temporary fix, but this will get him to class for his presentation this morning. Pinch the tip on that, pass it through. All right, there we go. Go in all the way. It'd be a lot easier if it wasn't so cold. Hanging out. Whew. All right, now we take it out real fast. That's good enough. There you go. We'll cut that with scissors, and let's fill this up with air. Subiéndolo, me miró así.
¿En serio?
Sí, porque estaba subiendo, o sea, que tiene embrague.
Oh.
Y me miró como.
Ups. Bueno.
Hago más ejercicios hoy. Mañana voy a esquiar.
¿En
La
serio?
noche, sí.
¿Primera vez o ya lo haces hace tiempo?
Primera vez este año, sí, pero...
Wow.
Vehicles have a sticker over here in the door that'll tell you how much PSI each tire needs. That sticker's missing in this car, so I'm just gonna read the tire and go a little bit under the maximum. Old.
Ahora puedes decir que tenés un crew que te anda filmando para todos lados. Loco, ¿no tenés frío? O sea, esas botas están geniales, pero ¿arriba?
Las botas sí, mis manos sí.
Por eso.
Pero sabía que iba a ser rápido. Así que... Y el auto calienta muy rápido. 44 PSI, so we'll probably give it like 36 to 40. Alright, so we're right at 40 PSI there. Alright, that's 40. Good to go. It's another job well done. I'm Ernest. Thanks for watching the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. We'll see you on the next episode.